Hi, I'm Mike, owner of the In-Groove in Phoenix, Arizona. Today I'm doing some Record Store Day 2020 Black Friday edition unboxing videos. Barney Wilen Quartet, featuring Tete Montoliu. Probably not how you say his name, but we're going to go with it. This is super limited. I love Barney Wilen. He has a really killer title that's out by Sam Records. Real nice, high-quality analog audiophile record. So I'm curious to give this one a listen to. This is a live concert from '88. This is super limited. They only did 1,000 of these according to the Record Store Day website. And apparently it's a newly discovered, unheard performance. You're getting a lot of these for Record Store Day. You're getting a lot of unheard jazz performances. Sometimes they're quite good. Actually, yeah, look at that. There's a really solid write-up on the album inside. And let's see, this is the record. Nice polyline sleeve. And because of the nice polyline sleeve, we have a nice, perfectly flat record with no scratches. Just a little dust from the old factory that it was made in. But yeah, this looks pretty good. This is on Elemental Music. But we'll have to give it a listen, see how it sounds audio-wise. But looks like a pretty fun and a rare release. All of this stuff will be available again on Black Friday, 1 o'clock Eastern Time on the website. We open a little bit early, so if you're local, you can come into the store at 8 o'clock Arizona time. We'll be open and give first dibs on this. But yeah, check us out online. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time.